Hello, if you want to create a home screen folder on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, you can press and hold your finger on the first app that you want to have in a folder, and then drag it to the top of another app that will be added to the home screen. So place one app on the other, and by doing so you will immediately create a folder. Over here you can tap on this folder name text in order to set a name for the folder. You can also press this plus button here in order to add more apps. You can select multiple apps at once in order to add them. So let's say I'm gonna choose these ones, and then we can press done. We can also press this circle here in order to set the color for our folder or catalog. And there we go. As you can see, we have our folder created in the home screen. You can also create folders in the app drawer as well in a similar manner, so you can try it out. If needed, you can also drag and drop into the folder another app. So let's say I'm gonna choose Netflix. I can just drag it onto the folder and it will be immediately added. You can also take out apps from the folder by doing a pretty similar thing. You want to press and hold your finger on the app that you want to take out of the folder and then drag it outside the folder, and you can place it anywhere on the home screen again. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!